coming with a USB charger. Three different devices can charge at the same time. Here is a fuse that will be attached to the device itself. This is the battery. This is where all the power is being saved up. All right, this is output for the lights or anything you'd like. We have 12 volts output socket also, like the one which we have in the cars. And this is the portable kind. All right, so the fuse goes in here. As you can see, it's already installed, and the machine itself is connected to the solar panel, the 50-watt solar panel. Here it is. I'm actually capturing the last before the sun sets. I'm capturing its rays. Okay. You have to put it at an incline at least 30 degrees from the ground, an angle of 30 degrees from the ground. You have to elevate it depending on where the direction of your sun is coming from. And as you can see, we have a very lengthy cable, so you can place it somewhere the sun is more accessible to it. Okay, so here we have inside the box, we have, actually it's coming in a package of 3. It's coming with a panel, the battery itself, and this box here which contains the lights, the charger, the USB charger as I showed you earlier, and the fuse. Okay, and 6 lights. Okay, very good lights. So let's give it a try. Let's see if we kept it on charge for better part of the afternoon. So let's see how it lights up. Okay, we've already connected one bulb already on one. Okay, so I'll turn it on from here. Okay, this is the solar generator power, and boom, look how bright this thing is. Look how bright it is. See, we'll do this also in the night. Let's see how bright these lights are. These are LED, very good LED lights. Okay, so we'll come in the evening, night, when night falls, then we'll try it and see how bright the lights are. Okay, so this is the portable 50 watts solar watt